everyone. I just thought, since Easter's coming up, I'll show you how to make a quick, easy Easter basket. So you're going to need a piece of card, 6 inches by 6 inches square, a longer piece of card the same, a ruler, a pair of scissors, a pencil, either some double-sided tape or a Pritt stick, and some ribbon and some tissue. Right, so the first thing you do, take your ruler and you're going to measure the card and mark it all the way round 2 inches, 4 inches. Turn the card 2 inches, 4 inches. Turn it round again, 2 inches, 4 inches, and the last one 2 inches and 4 inches. Once you've done that, take your ruler and join the lines top to bottom of each one, all the way down, all the way down on that one. Same on this one. So you end up with a grid, so you've got the 9 equal squares. So using your scissors, you need to cut the bottom 2 lines. So cut up to the first square, cut up to the first square, turn it over, so you've got those 3 cuts, and then do the same at the bottom. There we go. There. So the middle 3 you haven't touched, they're all together. Next, you need to fold in on the lines, all of them. You've done those, turn it round, do that one, turn it round, do that one, and that one, and then turn it round and do the last one. So you've got this sort of shape. Next, get some double-sided tape or glue ready. I'll take a bit ready. And then keep your middle one out. Pull the other 2 in until you get to the point at the top, and then pull the other one up. On that one, you put your double-sided tape or glue and stick it on, so you've got that sort of shape. Turn it round and do exactly the same. Get to your point, pull it up, so you've got that sort of shape. Next, take your longer piece of paper, card, pop it inside, so stick one side in, there we go. There, just like that, and then decide how long you want your handle, so about there's fine, so cut off the rest that you don't want, and then stick that side in. There we go. So you've got your little basket. So next, take the tissue paper, crunch it up and put it inside. You've got the ribbon, if you want to use ribbon, it's entirely up to you, just to do a little bit of decoration on the side, tie it around the handle, wherever you want, and a little bow. There we go, and then the finishing touch, one Easter egg, or whatever you want to put in there in your basket. There you go, one little Easter basket you can make at home.